startup sound came on, the wake sound, and the fan kicked in for a second, but no screen. There's no backlight, it's just black. And at this point, it just won't do anything. The only way I can tell it's on is if I run over here, like I can feel the haptic feedback, especially on the left one. But that's it. Got the stock PSU here. If I plug that in, power LED works fine. Trying to turn it on, does nothing. So the only thing I can do at this point is just hold this down for like 15 seconds. It's gonna blink a few times. It's gonna blink once. Oh, okay, not that startup sound. So now if I wait like another 10 seconds, it'll turn on. But of course I've lost all my game progress and everything. Will it? Maybe. Okay, so that's not working either. Try this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I heard the startup sound. I'm gonna keep holding it for a couple more seconds. There, okay, there's a second blink. Usually now it turns on. Maybe. Okay, there it finally goes.